Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best kitchen gadgets and bakeware. Today, we're talking about the BRONYPRO Nonstick Meatloaf Pan with Drain Tray. Without a doubt, the best meatloaf pan with a drip tray that you'll want in your kitchen arsenal. This pan is designed with a smart two-piece setup. It comes with a 9x5 loaf pan and a lifting drip tray that makes preparing your meals easier and healthier. The real genius behind this design is the ability to lift the meatloaf or bread out of the pan with the handles, leaving behind any grease or excess fat in the tray. It's a great way to make healthier meals without compromising on taste or texture. One of the standout features of this pan is its high-quality, 100% non-stick coating. This coating is not only chemical-free, no PFOA, BPA, or PTFE, but it ensures that your food will slide right out, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're making meatloaf, banana bread, or even a Pullman loaf, you won't have to worry about food sticking to the sides, giving you perfect results every time. The pan is made of heavy-duty carbon steel that's 57% thicker than many other pans on the market. This gives the pan exceptional durability and strength, and it ensures that heat is distributed evenly. No more worrying about hot spots or uneven cooking. Plus, it's oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use it for a variety of different recipes with confidence. Another great thing about the BRONYPRO pan is its versatility. While it's perfect for meatloaf, it's also great for other baking needs like banana bread, lasagna, cornbread, and even sandwiches. The possibilities are endless, and the pan is designed to handle all of them with ease. For those who want to make cleanup even easier, the pan is dishwasher safe. However, for longevity, hand washing is recommended, but either way, this pan is incredibly easy to clean, often requiring just a few minutes of your time. It's also designed to resist warping and peeling, ensuring that it lasts for years to come. Overall, the BRONYPRO Nonstick Meatloaf Pan with Drain Tray is an excellent choice for anyone looking to make healthier meals with ease. Its durable construction, smart design, and versatile usage make it a must-have in any kitchen. If you're ready to upgrade your bakeware, this pan should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more kitchen product reviews. See you in the next one.